Hello everyone, welcome to new Apoptosis series. This is episode 1. I am Dr. Kalpna Rakholiya and today we are going to discuss about introduction to apoptosis. So basically apoptosis is origin from the Greek word. The apo it means away from and tosis is it means dropping off or falling off. You can see here it's just like how plant will leave the leaves from the tree, as well as the same way cell also will die as a certain period of time. So it is a natural program process that maintain tissue homeostasis and health. Let's discuss about definition of apoptosis. Basically it known as program cell death. It is normal physiological process. It is essential for multicellular organisms, and cells are born live for a specific period of time and then died. As per Bowen, it give the statement. So apoptosis is a nature way of keeping our body healthy and balanced. This is the historical background of apoptosis. Was a word was coined in 1972 by three scientists, that is John Kerr, Andrew Wheeler, and Alistair Curie. So their pioneer work give the word apoptosis. They done the work on the mouse embryo and coined the word apoptosis. So these are the characteristics of program cell death. It is a highly regulated process essential for development, homeostasis, and protection. So let's discuss one by one. And it is a energy dependent process. It require a ATP as well as is occur in a physiological and pathological condition. It is a genetically programmed and tightly regulated. Often this apoptosis process is also called as a cell suicide. This is a genetically and biochemically very occur in a very sequential manner, and it lead to death of cells. So these are the characteristics of the apoptosis. The why apoptosis process is required. There is a two-way role to do the apoptosis process. First is physiological role, it in development and balance, and second is pathological and defensive role to maintain the quality. So in physiological role, it role in morphogenesis. Some cells need to be deleted during the development. All right, when we are present in our mother's womb, at that time our fingers, these digit fingers are not separated, but when we born, that of that finger, these are the separated. As well as it also maintain the homeostasis process. So it balances the cell population in adult by eliminating aging or redundant cell. So this morphogenesis have several different examples are there. Once we already discussed web fingers that are converted into separated fingers. Same way in a frog. When they are in tadpole stage, it contains the tail, but once it converted into adult frog, this tail is disappear or remove the tail by this apoptosis process. These are the several different examples of how apoptosis is involved in morphogenesis process. In second thing, by role in pathological condition. Once a virus are infected in our body, this virus, this cell is a infected virus infected cell. If this cell is survive, then it releases many progeny of the virus. So at that time this cell should be destroyed. So here apoptosis play very important role and stop the spread of virus. Same way it involve in immune cell regulation, removing spent immune cells after infection is clear. As well as it also involve in cell with DNA damage. Once a cell is cells nucleus containing DNA is mutated, highly mutated, at that time mutation is not reparable. At that time genetic mutation will arise, and it may lead to several kind of disease and disorders. So this kind of cell also eliminate. So apoptosis play a very important role. potential cancer cell also destroyed by this event, because once this cancerous cell will arise, it generate more cancerous cell. So at that time apoptosis process play important role. Unwanted cell also removed by this process. So apoptosis protect the organism by eliminating the unnecessary damage as well as dangerous cell, and it ensures the health, development and defense. So these are the MCQ related this episode. So take the screenshot and solve your question. Thank you very much for listening this episode.